Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So we know that October 4th we are going to have prelims 2020 examination. So UPSC recently released the cutoff for 2019. So the cutoffs which are released by UPSC I will be analyzing, you will be understanding what is the cutoff for prelims, what is the cutoff for mains, what is the cutoff for interview. So UPSC 2019 cutoff analysis by me. So Civil Services Examination 2019 cutoff. Prelims it was 98. For economically weaker sections it is 90. For OBC 95.34. For SC 82 and for ST 77.34. 200 marks. 100 questions. Each question 2 marks. 200 marks. For every one negative, 1/3 will be subtracted from your marks, net marks. So the prelims cutoff is 98 marks generally, whereas for mains it is 751, and for economically weaker section 696, 718 for OBC, SC 706 and ST 699. Whereas final examination, to be in the final list, the success list, the list of wonder, in that list of wonder 961 is the cutoff for general, 909 for economically weaker sections, 925 for OBC, 898 for SC and 893 for ST. But one thing if you notice, when you analyze it, if you carefully see, economically weaker section cutoff is very low than the OBC. Economically weaker section cutoff is very low when compared to the OBC. And physically handicapped is too low. So here the general, the economical weaker sections, OBCs, the cutoffs is as accordingly, but here I will be talking with respect to general. 98 for prelims preparation, mains preparation 751 and final list is 961. So this time 2019 the prelims cutoff was 98. So 2020 prelims I cannot tell, no one can tell, we can tell only after June 27, 2021 based upon the standard of the question paper we can predict the cutoff. So now it is 2019, it is 98 marks. According to me, the safe, very safe side is try for 110 marks. When you cross 110 marks, you can happily prepare from the next day onwards for your prelims, for your mains 2021 or for the mains 2020. This depends upon, this is 2019 prelims question paper 98 and 2020 prelims question paper also we can tell on October 5th. We cannot predict, it depends upon the standards of the question paper. So we made an analysis, UPSC IAS prelims 2019 question paper analysis. If you see, current affair had highest weightage. Current affair had highest weightage 22. Here again current affair means not something, any subject. Current affair means not anything subject. Current affair which consists of Indian economy, which consists of Indian polity, which consists of general science, which consists of environment, which consists of science and technology questions. So current affair weightage was very high in 2019 prelims. Then the cutoff was for history, ancient, medieval, modern and art and culture. Then it is for polity 15%. Then it is for economy, then it is for geography, then it is for general science, and environment also played a major role, it is 11%. My dear students, we think that environment is easy, but don't neglect environment. You know why environment questions are increasing year on year? Because the civil services prelims examination is not only for civil service examination aspirants, it is also for Indian Forest Service aspirants, also common prelims examination. So they want to test the environment knowledge of Indian Forest Service, hence you are also getting the questions on environment related topics. That is the reason environment weightage is increasing. I will give you the detailed analysis in the next slide. So overall I made this particular chart for your understanding. So don't neglect current affairs. 22 questions came from current affairs, and current affairs means which is associated to Indian economy, which is associated to Indian polity, which is associated to environment, which is associated to science and technology. So this is a pie chart. How the weightage is. So highest weightage is there for current affairs. Then subject wise questions will come. Subject wise questions. If you see, Indian economy consists of 25 questions. 25 means current affair related also it is added. 10 core, 15 current affair related. Indian history and culture 18. Indian polity 12. Geography 14. Environment is 16 questions as I told you. Environment is playing major role. If you see the earlier years, the environment role is not that much, but day on day the environment role is increasing. with respect to the sustainable development, with respect to climate change, and with respect to the forest service exam also. And science and technology. International relations 3. Indian society also very, very important. Don't neglect. Indian society means mainly the recent legislations which are made with respect to Indian society. So overall it is 100 marks. Similarly 2018 also economy plus current affairs, both 24 questions. My dear students, don't neglect economy. Economy is very, very important. Current affairs is important. Each and every subject is important. You have to perform well. In 2020 October 4th when you are going to prepare, out of 100 with the sure shot accuracy you have to put 95 correct. That should be the accuracy. 95 should become the correct and 5 you have to leave it. And the safe side should be when you cross 110 and more, then you can happily have preparation for your mains 2020. So there is what to expect for prelims 2020. I am expecting, so as COVID happened, more questions will be from science and technology, more questions will be from economy related. Why? Because economy is affected because of COVID, and science and technology related questions we can expect from COVID topics. Hence I expect more questions from Indian economy, then science and technology, then polity, then geography, then environment, then history. So this is my analysis for your prelims 2020 and the cutoffs of 2019. Thank you and all the best, my dear students. You have to come up with flying colors. No one is going to stop your success. If anyone is going to stop your success, means that is you only. You can restrict yourself. You can restrain yourself. You can constrain yourself. No other external force is there which is going to stop. It is the only you. Come out, daily work for minimum to minimum 10 hours. 2020 prelims you will perform very well, mains also you perform very well, and interview also you will be coming out with flying colors. All the best. Do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.